buddy?
You see my window?
Yeah, what happened to the window?
You know how like it's hard as fuck to like roll it up and shit?
Yeah.
And like when it's super cold, it's even worse. So I was rolling it up and it was like, fuck. I was like, fuck.
Fuck.
It was all raining and shit. I was like, god damn it. So I ran in the backyard and grabbed the tarp and then just fucking threw it in there, finagled it. I gotta fix that shit today. There's always something breaking, I swear to God.
Shit can never go smooth, huh?
Yeah.
And Marcel, so what's going on today?
Oh, since my window broke, I'm gonna try to buy a truck.
Alright guys, so I just picked up Marcel and we're gonna go look at a possible daily for Marcel. We're gonna go scope it out. It's about an hour, 20-minute drive, so
yeah,
we'll see how it goes. Hopefully everything checks out. They said, what was the problem?
The girl said something on the right side is like hitting or some shit, so I'm pretty sure it's like, worst comes to serve is like probably an axle, which is easy to replace. So it's probably that, like a tie rod or even a fucking brake pad, who knows, so.
Yeah guys, so it could be anything, so we're gonna go check it out. Hopefully it's something minor. And if it goes good, you cashing out today?
Oof, about to go to Bahamas, man.
Alright guys, let's go.
Now they dropping that yelling, it's a tad bit late. They talking for G had to regulate.
It's just fucking clean.
Hell yeah.
How you feel about the Andes?
Right hand drive, dude. Those things are low-key slept on, dude.
Hell yeah.
Yo.
Alright, so if you guys don't know what that car was, that was a Nissan President, which was fucking super, this shit's fucking rare as shit.
Yeah, it's coming up again if we get that front end.
And then, let me see.
Alright, what is good, guys? I don't know if you can hear me, it's fucking windy as hell up here. As you can see, we're in the middle of nowhere. Reminds me of the Arizona trip, dude.
I know, it's stopped in the middle of nowhere, dude.
So we need some gay ass and
What's this? Pump 8? Yeah, pump 8. Yeah.
Alright guys, currently made it to the location. As you can tell, we're literally, we're in Blaine County right now. It's windy as hell.
Trevor Phillips.
We're hearing screaming in the distance. I'm a little concerned.
I'm low-key scared.
I don't know what the fuck. We've been waiting for like a good 5 minutes.
It's a setup.
It does seem like a setup so far, guys.
About to die.
That was nice knowing you. Alright guys, turned out to not be some Hills of Ice shit, but yeah guys, that car is a ticking bomb. It had a flashing CL. The idle was like super rough. It didn't even want to stay on.
The motor mounts were giving out. That's how rough that shit was.
Yeah guys, so that's a bummer, but we're already out here, so we're gonna look at other possible ads, hit up some people. So we're not gonna give up yet, but it sucks you take an L, but hey, God's plan, guys. God's plan. God's plan.
God's plan.
We'll find another one, a better one.
Hopefully, fuck.
Hopefully.
Is it still for sale? Oh, really? So it's like a first come, first serve type of thing? Okay. Do you know what time he said he'll be there, or?
Alright guys, we've been hitting up people non-stop for the past 30 minutes at this random gas station. We finally got a hit, finally got hit back up, but the guy's not available till after 4, but this thing is clean. It looks freaking clean on pictures. So we're just gonna drive there. By the time we get there, it's gonna be close to 3, so it's not gonna be too bad. We just find something to do. But yeah guys, we're currently gonna drive there. We're all over the place. We're we're on the way to Vegas. Now we're gonna drive back
to San Francisco. Hit up Paris for a few weeks.
Oh shit. I don't know if you guys can see that. Anyways guys, hopefully this guy doesn't flake. He seems solid. We're gonna drive over there, but there's like 3 other CRVs all within the area kinda, so we're just gonna drive there and hope for the best. We're not leaving till we get a CRV, guys.
Are you trying to catch Black Panther or what?
Strong, but I smoke 'em like grass, just like teaching the show.
That's just clean.
It's starting to take a hike, 'cause I keep the motherfucking head on ringing. Keep the head swinging.
What is good, guys? Quick update. Oh my god, I don't even know where to start.
Where did we leave off at?
I think we left off, we're leaving to Norwalk. Alright guys, that was like 3 hours ago, maybe 4. The guy said he would be available after 4 o'clock.
You did say after 4, he didn't say what
Yeah,
time.
that is true, he wasn't
Kinda
specific.
fucked that up.
But it's currently 5 o'clock and he said he'll be available in 30 minutes, and we know for sure he's not flaking because we have the address, so if it comes down to it, we're gonna we're gonna loiter the fuck out of, we're gonna be soliciting, alright? So just a little bit longer, I'm gonna try to record actually, you know, checking out the car and whatnot, but we'll see guys, we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it's not a lemon, because
A rotten lemon.
trying to go home, guys. It's been a long day. We've been on the road for
Since what? Since 11?
9,
10.
like 10.
10, oh.
It's been 7 hours, guys. A lot of miles driven.
Well, oil change.
Hey, this isn't the Domani?
Huh?
What happened to the Domani?
Oh, bro, I sold it. Yeah, I got a family now, so I sold all my shit. Bro, hey, I seen some on eBay too.
Really? How much?
Yeah, clear toes. I think they had it for like $250 or some shit.
Alright guys, so we were waiting a long ass time. We were honestly a little mad, but this
Can't be mad anymore.
This thing is clean, guys. The interior is probably like a solid 9.5 out of 10, if not a 10. And the only thing is these little scratches right here.
The fender and like a little bit on the
and just a little bit right here, but that's easy to fix. It's so straight, guys. So straight.
Hey, paint this shit.
You see, gonna paint the same color to the Domani? That looked pretty hard, actually. You happy, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, we went on a pretty long test drive, maybe like a 10-minute test drive. Everything seems good. It didn't overheat, and it was on the whole time, so. And it ran smooth, it shifted smooth.
It runs better than my car.
Yeah, guys, honestly, we got it for a steal. It's in really good condition. And it came with the spare. And all the tires are like in really good condition.
The spare has better.
So this is Sedan Shame's new daily.
Sedan truck.
Sedan truck. Hell yeah, bro. I'm proud of you. You got a solid daily.
I'm trying to tell myself not to lower it, but we'll see how that goes.
So guys, if Marcel got the all-wheel drive, he was gonna lift it, but this is just a 2-wheel, the front-wheel drive. So we'll see what he does with it. He's calling it the daily, so I don't know. If he slams it, then I mean, the point of the daily goes out the window. But
I mean, if I do it a little bit, like nothing too like obnoxious, then that should be fine. But I'm gonna try not to, but just a little, probably like,
just
like a 3-inch drop. That's nothing. Just to like close the wheel gap.
yeah, I get you, guys. So many things in store for this. I'm excited, bro.
Okay.
I'm excited to see what you do with this.
Alright, how the fuck do we get?
Alright guys, so we still got an hour and a half drive home. Honestly, I wish I could cruise with Marcel home because I'm fucking tired.
Fuck.
But whatever, we're gonna pull up to Leo's house maybe.
Oh yeah, huh?
We're gonna show the squad the new whip. And
Everybody ride and shit, go to Ottawa.
So
Not even registered yet. Fucking ball out.
yeah guys, so we got this drive ahead of us and then we'll resume the vlog probably with everybody there. Let's get it. That paint though.
Hey. Man, a spare though.
Where? Oh, my boy got the burners. Hey buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Hey Joseph, you got the burners on.
It fucking blue, dude. Want to see it? Look at it.
The whole thing just be needed or what?
Yeah, that shit fucking bad.
How?
The whole like face of the wheel.
I'm thinking, since it has like that, there's like a little hairline crack in it. I was thinking that it was hot before we even drove it home.
It was just you guys?
Yeah.
Oh.
Leo went to his cousin's house.
Oh, really? That shit dumped on the stop sign, man.
I know, huh? That shit fucking is smacked now too.
What's the victim at first?
Nothing wrong with it or what?
Fucking.
Sounds like
Dude,
that
that shit's fucking mint, dude.
I was fucking flooring this shit over here.
What is this one? What?
B20.
It came with the cucumber juice? Hey, the interior's fucking
Yeah, the interior's 10 out of 10 probably, bro.
That's dope as fuck. This smells better than my car too. He's
We're all looking at it like it's like a 2017. I feel like a grandma, dude.
Hey, what you guys think about the new daily?
That's badass.
Dude, we busted a mission for that shit, bro.
Only busted the mission.
We busted a mission.
How many miles
We.
are you
Nah.
How many miles are you on your car?
I put a good.
I love how Andy fucking calls me.
Bow, 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 bow. Booyah!
Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. I'm fucking tired. In a few hours, I'm gonna be up for 24 hours. The grind don't stop. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Comment down below what you guys think on the new daily. So again, it's a daily, guys. It's a daily, keep that in mind. Project Daily. First mod, you already know, when the plots to dip the wheels. Orange. Seriousness guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like if you did, subscribe for you. And expect some videos on the CRV guys. That's the new daily. You already know Marcel's probably gonna do some dope shit to it. He said he's gonna drop it a little bit, that's a lie. But we'll see you guys in the next video. Later.